everyone, welcome back to another cleaning video. So has your house been so messy you just don't know where to start? This is where I find myself today. This place is so messy, I just do not know where to start. And as to why I left it to get this far, I have no idea. Oh my god, I am swamped. I haven't done a proper deep clean video in a while because I had other things going, but I have been cleaning up. No, that's not to say I haven't cleaned my house in that many months. I've just had a lot going on, so I would clean here every now and then, here and there, but just didn't get the camera or anything because I needed to hurry up. You all know how no, those of you see it takes time to video and to clean as well. So yeah, I would just clean up quickly and not film it because I just had to hurry up. But this today is just so messy. I thought, look, this will be a very good motivational cleaning video for anyone who was in my position and their house is so messy, they just don't know where to start, so they're avoiding it. This is me at the moment. So let me get the lights on here. Right, so I mean, it's not so bad, but I just feel like I've left things undone for such a long time. I have kind of forgotten how to deep clean, if that makes sense. I'm cracking myself up. Oh, I don't know if you haven't seen this because this is new. I got this from Wilco and it just fits perfectly in that corner there. My bathroom was getting too crowded for me, so I had to get some things to put these things on. Okay guys, you need to wish me luck cause I have a lot of work to do. Lord help me. It's being assisted by Belle has kindly named her Gizmo, and it's our new robot vacuum cleaner, and it's doing amazing. The thing is, it switches from hard floor to carpet, and that's the amazing thing about it. Belle is having so much fun with this gadget. It's unbelievable. I'm loving it because it's helping me out. It's helping me clean, and Belle is loving it because it's literally like a dog for her. Like she's got a new puppy. Look at it goes everywhere.
I'm scared of it.
Are you scared of Gizmo? Oh, okay. Guys, if you're interested in getting one of these bad boys, that is such a helpful helper. I'm going to leave a link on my Amazon shop front, and you can check it out. Look at that. It switches from hard floors to carpet easily, and I am loving it because it's helping me out. Do not mind my carpet. It has so many stains on it. I'm arranging for a carpet cleaner to come and clean it for me. They're having building works all around this area, so there's dust everywhere. And so yeah, I'm going to leave a link on my in the description box to my Amazon shop front, and you can check it out. It's very inexpensive, and like I said, look, it switches effortlessly to hard floors and then to carpet. The thing is, it sizes up your house. So I've left it. I went to pick up Belle from nursery and I left it. Oh yes, Belle has started nursery, and yeah, she's only going for the mornings. I'm not very happy, but so far so good. God is being so good to us. She is 100%, and I am grateful. So back to this. Yeah, I left Gizmo on its own to clean up, and I went to pick up Belle, and as you can see, it started with the bedrooms. It's cleaned my room very well on the hard floors, and it's going to clean Belle's room, but it got stuck because there were some hairs and some, Belle's room, there's obviously going to be toys and other things that Gizmo will not be happy with. So yeah, Gizmo started beeping and I went to grab it, and I'm loving it so far. So yeah, Gizmo is the one helping me with the cleaning, the floors. I'm going to mop everything as well. We got ourselves a new mop, and yeah, finish up with this. Oh, let me just show you. So because we have Gizmo, I got this small vacuum cleaner. It's a wet and dry one that we will use to vacuum clean like the sofas. Let's show you. So see, I'll use this for the places that Gizmo cannot go to, and I got this for $14.99 from Lidl. So if you're interested, check it out. I think they have it in store now, so check it out from Lidl. Use my my tincture glass mirror and still white thing. I spray all the metals and then take it from there. I love this product because it smells so good and I don't get any reaction. Belle doesn't either, so it's good. I haven't wiped these cabinets in about a month. Yeah, so then I will go over all of them with this microfiber cloth. Did you see that? Did you just see the difference? See this, these people are not sponsoring me. This is just me loving a product so much that I feature it in all of my cleaning videos because that's what I use all the time. I love it so much. Okay, I think I hype another product the same way. This Belle's vitamin, the Sambuco. I love that one too so much. It just works wonders. And aside that, this is the other product that I like to hype a lot. My camera is going in and out of focus, but pardon me. Did you see that? Did you see the difference? Okay, so look. It just cleans and cuts all the grease, and it makes the house smell good as well.
I think it burnt.
I'll give it to you. Let me just finish this one.
You're taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah, 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 yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Baby, you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care. Nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe, fall for me, babe. Need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way. I hope you feel the same. I'ma lose it out of control. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Baby, you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you could ever do would make me leave you, baby. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you, baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older.
Golden works.
When things are going right, you seem to have the time. But when it's hard, you just grow cold up. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires.
This most charging spot, charging house, and that's the little remote there. It didn't need a lot of settings. I just put it on, and that was it. It started cleaning. I don't know if it's preset or that's just how it's meant to be.
Been here 1,000 times. Set up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over. Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect. Acting drunk even though we're sober. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.